Hello, everyone. This is Srimama Patra, your business explosion coach. Many of the digital coaches, freelancers, internet marketers ask me about Google Forms, and they want to collect some data or conduct some quiz while showcasing their product to digital marketers, and they would like to know how exactly to use, Google Forms. So let me share how I do this, and probably it should help you. So first of all, go to forms.google.com. Okay. And just sign in. Make sure that you have two-factor authentication on, just in case you have not turned it on. So I always have my two-factor authentication done. All right, so I got a notification in my cell phone. Let me approve it. And we are in. So once you're in, it'll ask you to, you can use the templates, but I prefer to use like a blank form. All right, just to give you an example and make this video quick, I would like to just name it as test form. All right, I'll add some questions, yes or no questions. For example, let's say, have you posted your goals today? Okay. And you can select multiple choice checkboxes drop down. So I'll go for checkboxes. By default, it gives you yes or no. You can choose that. And then what you do is, if you want to turn it to a quiz, you just go to settings, make this a quiz. Okay. And what's the default value? So I would like to keep the default value as 10 points. You can make it 100, 50, whatever that suits you. Okay. Manage how responses are collected and protected. Make sure that you collect your email addresses. If you're especially, you want to nurture the email address. So collect the email address, send responses, a copy of the response. Okay. Now this is where you can go for when requested. Okay. And so that you make sure that not everybody would just get the score, because you want to keep the authority with you. So only when the request, you send the response to them. Don't allow response editing, limit to one response. You can just turn it on or off. So I keep it off because sometimes I have customers who keep filling the same form. Okay. And yeah, so that's it. So let's see how it goes. Okay, we'll go back to the form editing. Okay, and see, the 10 points have been added. Now you have to, just adding this is not enough. You have to click on the answer key and make sure that you tell Google which one is the correct answer. So I would like to select this as the correct answer. So only when the person selects yes, the person will get 10 points. All right, done. So now let's add some more questions so that we can test the form. Did you complete your exercise today? Okay, yes or no. Same 10 points. Answer key yes. Then let's add another question. Did you eat fiber food today? Okay, yes or no. All right, once again, I'll click on answer key and I'll say, if somebody gives yes, then the person will get 10 points. Done. So now you can see that the total points of this form is 30. So anybody who's giving the exam will come to know what's the total points. So let's and of course you can go to customize theme, and you can add a little bit picture over here, the header image. You can choose something from what Google offers you, or you can select your picture and offer it. Okay, so I'll just go with this one, and there you go. It looks cool. And automatically Google will pick up the color tone, and it'll have a nice color tone formed for you. And I usually keep it Roboto because rest of the fonts look slightly like, I've tested all the fonts, but it's better that you keep Roboto or Comforta. So Comforta is good. Okay, so header can be Comforta, questions can be in Comforta. All right, so it looks good because it's very easily readable. Okay, Roboto or Comforta. All right. And you can change the skin tone if you want. So I just selected something which suits this picture, complements this picture. That's it. And the background can be slightly darker, cool. And we are done. So now we will test the form. So let's go to preview. Okay. And let's okay, record Srimayam at my as address. Similarly, your responders will be asked what is your email ID, so you have to they have to give their email ID. Have you posted your goals today? Let's say no. Did you complete your exercise today? Yes. Did you eat your fiber food today? No. Okay. And you see this only when they toggle this, they'll be able to get the form. Okay, so send me a copy of responses, submit, and see they're getting this button view score. Okay, your response has been recorded, and you can change this message also, and I'll show you how you can do that. Just click on view score and I'll be able to get that. Okay, I got 10 out of 30. Okay, and these are the wrong answers and these are the correct answers. Okay, so that's how the form is calculated. And let us just check if I got an email for that, for the form answer. Okay, you see this Google form test form. So as you can see, this is my score, and if I click on view score again, I'll go back to the same page. So this is how you create a quiz in your Google form. Let me just show you another important point here. A couple of things here. So you can collect all the responses, you can create an Excel sheet out of it. So once you click there, create a new spreadsheet, so you can have like an Excel format of all the responses that people have given. So here you can see what are the answers that they gave. So that's one of the things which I wanted to show you. Another thing which I can, and you can also go to individual, and you can just click on release score. So all the email IDs that have given the test will be visible here. And if somebody wants to get the score, just in case they missed the email or something, you can just click on that email and just click on release score, and it will be emailed to that person. Okay, so I do that a lot. So I actually change the settings actually to keep the authority with me. Send responders copy of the response. I say it off. Okay, and only when after briefing them, okay, I release the score. Okay, hope it makes sense to you. If it makes sense, type MS in the comments wherever you're watching this video. Another thing which I wanted to show you is how do you change the the responder message, okay, after the completion message. So you go to presentation segment and you change the confirmation message. You can edit it and you can say that thank you, please click here to connect with me next time. All right, and you can share a link over here. Let's say I give my linktree, linktr.ee/shrimps. So that link, and I'll save it. Let's see how it shows. Once again, I'll go to preview. Let's say record. Okay. Yes. Submit. All right, I should be getting 30 out of 30. Great. And you see this, my message is now this one. Okay, https linktree.shrimps. If I click here, I'll go to my the person can go to my Linktree account where he can join my Facebook group, he can join my bootcamp, Instagram, YouTube channel, and all that. All right, so this can be edited, the confirmation message that can be very powerful. So I hope this was really useful to you. And by the way, I got another entry here automatically in the Excel sheet. Thank you so much. Keep shining and keep rocking the world with your entrepreneurship. Bye-bye.